Cardiff is a real capital of sports, really. Sports journalism at USW is a very practical orientated course. Students get the chance to learn in real world scenarios. Students have the opportunity to go into the press box at real matches and report from there, to go to press conferences and report from there. There's a real opportunity for students to make a mark in the real world of journalism, of course, while still learning all the fundamental skills that they'll need. I think one of the main attractions, firstly, is the Cardiff location. There's so many rugby venues, there's a championship football club, there's county cricket, so many world events have taken place here. We've got contacts and relationships established with some of the best journalism organisations in the country, BBC, ITV and various other outlets. BA Sports Journalism at USW is challenging, it's rewarding, it's life-changing.